check this thing out, guys. This came to the shop. He's a good friend of ours. Look at them 32 skating. I said we'll show you guys. Tell us what you guys think of it in the comments. What do you guys think? Definitely looks good. Does it sound good? I think it does. I like it. Go ahead. Yeah. Look at the speakers. It's all custom down. It's nice. Sick ass car. Yeah. TV's in the trunk. All custom interior. Check out the interior, George. Everything. Really nice car. No expenses spared. Look at that. Look at that. I wonder what's in the trunk. Let's see what's in the trunk. Hip up. Oh, look at that. Look at that, boys and girls. When I grow up, that's what I want. Right? 32s. All decked out. High Rollers of Nashville. There she is. Dub edition.